I've applied one coat onto this white wall tire, and I saw it was soaking in. Now look, that's what came out of a brand new tire. We're going to do multiple coats until the tire starts to puddle on top of here where it's not soaking in anymore. The reason for doing it with it laying on the ground is the pores are going to fill up this way. You do it on a car, you can never force it into the pores. It has to be gravity that takes it down into the tire. See it soaking in? Those are ready for another coat. Cut. These tires were scrubbed like you normally do, cleaning off the blue, and then we start applying Mission Restore white wall wax, and that's the dirt that comes off of the surface of it. That's off the white wall and black wall. We put 4 coats on these, and it's saturating, and you can see it's starting to puddle where it won't accept any more wax into it. Then you know you've saturated all the pores all the way to the top. If you want to get a bright shine to your tire, after the tires cool down the next day, buff it with a cheap plastic scrub brush. Just buff the black wall and you'll see it come out to a nice semi-gloss shine. And you'll be able to rub that black wall with a white rag and no more black's going to come off onto your hands, your clothes. It's quite a remarkable product. We sold over 1,600 jars, mostly to white wall owners, with white walls that turn yellow, repeatedly turn yellow. This extracts it from the pores and they stay white.